Oh, hello again, traders. Okay, so let's start right away. We'll do some backtesting and forward testing on demo. Backtesting and forward testing is something very important if you like to become a winning binary options trader. So let's jump right in. The strategy we'll be using today is based on the 5 minutes chart, and we use the 1 minute chart to define the entry point. So what is backtesting? Simply put, backtesting is when you actually go ahead on the chart, you have a strategy on hand, you go to the charts, and you see whenever the rules of your strategy apply, do you have a winning or a losing trade based on historical data. The proper way of doing it, you should put, I like to do it manually on pen and paper. So I write Euro CHF OTC, for example, strategy, 5 minutes chart, supply demand. I do two columns, winning and losing trades, and I start going back using historical data and checking whenever my strategy applies, do I have a winning or do I have a losing trade? This is backtesting. Forward testing is actually taking it a step further and taking the actual trades on demo. Okay, so what I advise you all to do is to backtest and forward test for at least 3 months for each strategy that you are planning on using with your real money accounts. Okay, so the 5 minute strategy that I will be backtesting and forward testing today with you consists of the following. You have a demand area, strong push to the upside, the pair comes back and reaches your demand area over here. What we need to do in this case is go to the 1 minute chart, go back to our demand area, which is over here. Okay, see that? And you can mark your entry zone with a rectangle or two straight lines, doesn't matter. So this area over here is going to be our entry point when the price reaches these between these two lines. So as you can see, once the price reached this line over here, you can take 1 or 2 minutes expiration trades. Both have been a winning trade. So till now, we have, let me write this, we have one, let's do two columns. I'll do this. Bad drawer. Come on. I'll do this. These are the wins, and these are the losses. We have one winning trade till now. Now, the best number of the best number of back test you should do up to 100 trades. Yes, you heard me correct. 100 trades to make sure that your strategy is profitable. You should look for at least 60 to 65% win rate. Okay, so let's do more back testing. 5 minutes. Okay, and have fly area over here. We go to the 1 minute chart. Go back to the area. See that? Beautiful. This is your entry point, somewhere over here. Okay. See, if we took a 1 minute trade, rejection trade from this line, or 2 minutes from this line, the 1 minute is gonna be winning, beautifully rejecting. So you have a 1 minute winning trade, and if you took it for 2 minutes, see right now, let's wait. It rejected exactly at the point that we marked. I suggest you use 1 minute trade for these rejection areas. Okay, so we got ourselves a winning trade over here. Even if you took it, even if you took it a bit early, so even if you took your trade over here, it would have been a winning trade. Oops, I deleted all the other stuff. We have till now two winning trades backtested with our 5 minute chart strategy. Let's put the board again. Let's do this. Oops, bad mark. It's okay. So we have the winning trades over here and the losing trades over here. Till now we have two winning trades. Let's keep on testing. Let's see another pair. We have a beautiful setup here. It's gonna take a while. Let's see something else. This is nice. So you mark your demand area on the 5 minutes. So you mark your demand area. Do yourself a zone. You go to the 1 minute chart. See that? Beautiful, fresh demand over here. So whenever the price falls back to the zone, Let's put an alarm over here and here as well. Whenever the price comes back to this area, we'll take a buy trade. Okay, let's see some historical data. This is fantastic. Look at this. So this is the 5 minutes chart. You have here a powerful supply zone, as you can see, very strong. So you mark your fresh demand area. Let's see it on the 1 minute. See that over here? Fantastic. So you mark your zone, price falls back, comes back up. You can take your sell trade 1 minute or two anywhere in this area over here. 1 or 2 minutes, no problem. So till now we have three winning trades back tested. I also removed the damn board. Let me draw it again. So this is our, hold on. I guess I have something. Okay, that's a beautiful line. So we have the winners are over here and the losers are here. Till now we have three winning trades back tested using the 5 minute strategy. Okay, so let me let me remove those. Okay, let's keep on testing different pairs. See what a beautiful rejection we have here. Exactly from the zone, it rejected to the upside. Beautiful. Let's see more. Okay, here as well. Let's go to the 5 minutes to define our setup. So here you have a strong supply area here. You mark the beginning of this push to the downside. You go to the 1 minute chart. Let me use a rectangle. Rectangles are better in this case. You are able to spot the exact location. See that? Beautiful over here. And slide it to the future. Okay, we go to the 1 minute chart. See this level over here, we already marked. So this is your, over here is your supply area. You put an alarm just right there. When the price reaches this zone over here, you take a sell trade 1 or 2 minutes to the downside. Simple. So let me put the alarm anyways. Already done it. So we have three winning trades in our backtest for now. Let's see some historical data. Just a quick note, the Russian pairs on OTC, on pocket option, are highly volatile. I usually avoid trading those. See this beauty? Beautiful. Look at this. So this is the 5 minutes. Put a rectangle over here. Let me change this color to blue. You have strong demand area here. Okay. This is pure backtesting, guys. This is the backbone of your success as a trader. So this is your demand zone in the 1 minute. So once the price reaches the blue area, you take a buy trade. And here you go, a 1 minute buy trade. You can take 2 minutes, I prefer one. Here we go, you have your winning trade. So till now, we backtested four, and we have four winning trades. Okay, one moment. Okay, so now that we backtested four trades, let's take some live trades using the 5 minute chart. 1 minute, we locate our setup on the 5 minute chart. We take the trade in the 1 minute. See if we can find a beautiful opportunity. That's a disaster. Look at this. Okay, we have something here on the 5 minutes. Let's mark the zone. Use the rectangle from the drawings, from the drawing tool. Okay, so we marked and our zone. We go to the 1 minute to refine it. We need a fresh supply point, which is just over here. You set your alarm over here and you wait for the price to pull back up to the zone. Once it touches this area, you take a 1 minute trade to the downside. You can, it might reject from here and from here, but we look for the highest probability trade. So for the highest probability, you wanted to come back to this point over here. Okay, let's find something else. See it rejected from this point. Beautiful. Okay, let's mark the zone. Let me see in the 5 minutes. A beautiful zone over here. Let's go to the 1 minute chart so we can see the fresh area. Okay, here we go. This is our entry. Set an alarm over here. We wait for it to come back up. You need to be patient. Patience is very important for any successful trader. So we'll wait for it to come to this area and take a 1 minute trade to the downside. Okay, you can use the alarm. It's very practical. It will show you a notification once the price reaches this area. It will notify you over here. You click on it. It will take you to the currency pair that you are looking at. Let's find different setups. This is a strong area here. Let's mark it, the rectangle. See that? Amazing. You go to the 1 minute time frame to, to see the fresh area we're looking at. Okay, slightly lower. That's it. So this would be our entry point. Set an alarm and we wait for it. Of course, if you have questions, please do not hesitate to drop them in the live chat. So we did backtesting. We backtested the strategy. We had 4 winning trades. Of course, if you want to have a strong statistical data through backtesting, you need 100 trades at least. But you got the gist of it. Okay. So now we are setting up the trades and waiting for our entry points to reach the levels we marked for us to enter a 1 minute or 2 minutes trade from these zones. Okay. Market is moving slowly. Um, Thanksgiving in the US, which probably is the reason why. I want to take at least 2 trades with you guys so you see how it works. Beautiful area. Beautiful. Come on. This is very nice. I hope you're not late. Let me see that on the 1 minute. Very powerful supply zone over here. See that? Okay. Let's narrow it down. Can enlarge it a little bit. Fantastic. So we have an entry point here. It's gonna be soon. So let's wait for it. Come on. Let me show you what I'm looking at on the 5 minute chart. See, and wait for it to reach this point, which is over here. See the strong supply area. Of course, it might breach and keep on going to the upside. You can never guarantee a trade. However, this is why we backtest and we forward test on demo so we can refine our strategy to the best of our abilities. So I'm waiting for it to come over here. See the zone here as well. This is also a very beautiful takeable trade. I would have marked it here around this area, the rectangle like this. I would have taken the 1 minute rejection easily. 2 minutes would have been also a winning trade. So here we go. We have 6 winning trades, backtesting our strategy till now. Waiting for the price to reach this point. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. It's a bit slow, no problem. Have to be patient. This is part of the training. Part of being a successful trader is patience. So let's be patient and wait for the price to reach. We already have 3 more setups with alarms. So if any of those triggers, we will go for it. Let me remove this green line. Consolidating a little bit here, no problem. If you have any questions, please use the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button. Do us a favor. I see the time. So why isn't it giving me a full screen? All right. In my opinion, this will reject beautifully from this area. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Let me see on 1 hour chart what's going on. Okay. Let me check the 15 minutes. Beautiful. That's nice. So we've done our homework. Just need to wait for the market to give us our entry. In the meantime, if you have questions, if you have any clarification, any confusion, the live chat is for you guys to ask me anything. This is an open Q&A as well, so you can answer. You can ask any questions you might have. It might not, reach the point. So let's find something else. Not to wait uselessly. USD CAD. No. Okay. This is gonna take time. I need something fast a little bit. See this one? Beautiful rejection. This is nice. I'll put something here. A higher probability would be over this area. Nevertheless, this is a decent zone. Okay. Set the alarm. You can also set a pending trade. It will trigger automatically. I prefer not to do it. I prefer to stay in control of my entry. So we have a setup over here. Let's wait for it to unfold. This is also nice. Let's set up. Let's set it up. It's gonna be in this area. Let me see on the 1 minute. Okay, let's reduce the size of our entry zone and push it a little bit down. Right, we have our entry and alarm. See, it rejected from this side as well, from this point. This guy made all this push. Once it got back to the zone over here, gave you a 2 minute, 1 or 2 minute trade to the upside rejection. Beautiful. So let's wait for any of the setups that we marked to trigger so we can take 1 or 2 trades together. This is a bit slow. We had this one over here. I liked it. It's pushing it to the downside. I'll take a I'll take a 1 minute trade here. Believe it will jump back up. Okay, check our other. Oops, forgot to set the alarm. Okay, look at that. This is gonna. I think it's gonna reverse the breakout trade to the upside. Won't take it. See the rejection here? Beautiful. This is one of the setups we're waiting for. The markets today are a disaster, to be honest. I'll risk this one if it comes to it. Since we have an uptrend, see that? Beautiful. So to backtest this trade over here, Let's use the rectangle. So using the 5 minutes chart, you set your zone. Come on. Very, my connection is a bit quirky, so I'm sorry for that. So you select your area on the 5 minutes. Okay, you go to the 1 minute chart to find a fresh supply zone. In this case, go back. See that? Beautiful. I love it. Love the markets, guys. So this is your zone. This is your entry point. And look at this beauty. See that? Beautifully rejected to the downside. You can easily take 1 or 2 minute trades. Both are winning. I need to take at least one trade before we wrap it up. Markets are very slow. See how this one, beautiful. Look at this. See that? Amazing. Beautiful rejection. Rejection to the downside. Fantastic. Of course, you can use the 1 minute chart in itself to find these rejection trades. However, I always prefer to see what's going on in the 5 minutes before taking the trade. Let's see the 5 minutes. Let's mark the zone first. So this is your zone over here. Okay, let's see it on the 5 minutes. Come on, look at this beauty. See that? Beautiful rejection. Okay, so I think this is enough for now. We backtested lots of trades. So I hope by the end of this video, you know what backtesting is, how to do it. Forward testing is simply actually taking the trades on them. Okay. For backtesting, I prefer to do things manually. So I write down the strategy, I write down the time frames I'm using, and whenever I see a setup, I check for it. I check if my entry points are winning or losing. I write those down. It is always advisable to backtest up to 100 trades, right? Using the strategy that you are working on. If you have anything above 60% winning rate, you are good to go to forward test on demo for at least 100 trades before going to real money trading, right? Let's wrap it up. Guys, if you are finding any value in these videos, thank you so much. Please subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can use the live chat box or the comments. And if you want to join us, all the links you need and the info you need are in the description box. Have a nice weekend. See you tomorrow.